What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on 3 interesting altcoins that I'm currently watching and on which I'm expecting a big pump, of course if certain conditions are met. So if you are interested about the exact altcoins and exact entries that I'm planning to take here, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Also, I want to tell you that there is currently a 20% Black Friday discount on my trading membership group, where I am sharing all of my trades. So I'm sharing there my exact entries, stop loss, take profit levels, etc. There is also chat with me and other VIP members. So if you are interested in that, the more information you can find in the public Discord group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. So the first coin that I will show you in this video is altcoin with ticker CELO. You can see that currently we are forming here this falling wedge on the 4-hour chart, and right now I'm waiting here for a breakout and support confirmation to get into a long position. And if these conditions are met, then I will be really thinking of opening a long position. The main resistance areas are these two bearish order blocks, which are between level 0.923 and 0.884, and then 0.744 and 0.710. So this first trade is having really good risk-reward ratio, because if you will, let's say, enter the long position after support confirmation here, and stop loss you will put just under this resistance, area back to this falling wedge, then the risk-reward ratio can be pretty insane. Because if you will put your last take profit target to this bearish order block, then you have like risk-reward ratio almost 19, which is absolutely crazy. But probably I would recommend you to use, let's say, a more safer stop loss, so put it under this previous low. Of course, you need to also take here multiple take profit targets, and definitely some of the profits I will take under this week high, which is on the level 0.593, then some of the profits under this first bearish order block, and also some of the profits in this last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 8-9, which is still pretty insane, so I will highly recommend you to watch this current setup. The second coin that I will show you in this video is INJ. Right now I like this coin for two reasons. The first one is that we are forming here this bullish triangle, and the second reason is that we are almost like testing the current all-time high, which is on the level approximately 25.41. But right now we are forming here this triangle, so it's the same like in the previous setup. I'm waiting here for a breakout and support confirmation. You can see that, for example, historically we had here this first fake out, so the support confirmation here is really important, at least on that 4-hour chart. And if these conditions are met, then I think that there can be a good opportunity for opening a long position, because, for example, even the RSI indicator is currently undervalued because it's under 50 mark, and you can see that right now we are on the 43 level. So the exact long trade can look, for example, like this. As I said, I want to wait here for that breakout and support confirmation to get into a long position. Stop loss I would put above the low that we will create in this candle. Of course, if there will be like testing of this support again, then this setup is invalid and you need to wait for another breakout support confirmation. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But right now I would choose the stop loss, let's say level 15.563. The last take profit target I would put probably under level 25.257, yeah, something like that, because that's the current all-time high. So there is like chance of trading, for example, double top or something like that. So in this case, it can give you this risk reward ratio again above 10. In this case, it's like 11.69, which is absolutely insane. But also here, it's again really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you can take under this previous low, then high, then you can move your stop loss to entry, so you can turn your profitable position position into a loss, then some of the profits under this previous week high, so let's say level 19.145, and then save some back to this current all-time high. And if you really want, you can keep some moon back to, let's say, higher levels, but in my opinion it will be better to, let's say, close your whole position here, then wait for a breakout support confirmation, and then, for example, create another new long position, because there is, in my opinion, pretty high risk that the price can like reverse here. And the last coin that I will show you in this video is XLM. You can also see that we are forming here this falling wedge on the 4-hour chart, and if there will be a breakout and support confirmation, then I'm expecting like another pump, so I will want to open here a long position. Also, you can see that if we like switch the time frame to a weekly chart, you can see that the coin is still currently pretty undervalued, and from its all-time high there is like a drop around, let's say, 85%. So yeah, this is one of the coins that still didn't pump. So if their certain conditions are met, I will be really thinking about opening my long position here. But after a breakout, we have here several important resistance that you need to watch. The first one is this bearish order block, which is between levels 0.1347 and 0.1310, yeah, something like that. Then this previous strong high, but you can see this was like a liquidated grab, so I don't want to pay attention to this current level. So the next important resistance is this bearish order block between levels 0.1434 and 0.1421. So the exact trade can look, for example, like this. Again, I want to wait here for the support confirmation, and stop loss I would put under this previous low, because if there will be the breakdown, then we are probably going to test this support of this falling wedge. So you don't want to hold your position longer than it's necessary. And the last take profit target I would put to this last bearish order block. So again, there is like really important to take multiple take profit targets. Definitely some of the profits take under this bearish order block, and then of course in this last bearish order block. But probably you can use like these previous highs for, again, taking some portion of the trade, because yeah, every time you will collect some of the profits, you can move your stop loss, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. But in this case, the risk reward ratio is, let's say, around 6, so it's like the worst trade that I showed you today. But still, the risk reward ratio, if you will take multiple take profit targets, can be still around 4, which is not bad. But probably the previous trades that I showed you in this video are better opportunities, but again, you need to decide what really you want to take. Okay guys, if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But yeah, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. See ya.